Hey everyone. Okay. Ready? Hey everyone. Hey everyone, welcome to. Hey everyone, welcome to.
You told me to say it at the same time.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to another. You're not gonna say it? No. Hey everyone, welcome to another video of the PokePham channel. Today we are doing a Cosmic Eclipse Booster Pack battle. I'm Nathan, and the first time here in the channel is my lady, Jacqueline. So, before we get into it, what are you doing? Before we get into it, have you subscribed yet? Are you part of the PokePham fam? If you're not, go ahead and do us a favor. Subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and be part of the PokePham fam, okay? So, this big booster pack box has 36 packs total, and we're going to do 9 for Team Nathan, 9 for Team Jacqueline. So let me know. Pause the video. Are you Team Nathan or are you Team Jacqueline?
Obviously, you're Team Jacqueline.
Okay, so let me know. Comment down below, alright? We're doing 9 packs here, 9 packs here, and then we'll do the other 9 and other 9 in another video, okay? So that gives you another reason to turn that notification bell on. Alright, so let's get to it.
I can't wait to win. How do we win?
Alright, so whoever has the most ultra rares. We'll just do ultra rares. Holo rares, reverse holo rares, that's fine, you know. Also, this will be added to our Cosmic Eclipse Journey binder. It is a binder, and it's right there. Right there. So and there's the Unified Minds one we started not too long ago, and we're working on the Hidden Fates binder as well, okay? Ooh. Oh, I didn't show. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna pick 9 each. So since
so
you're
just
my
pick random one?
Yeah, so since you're my lady, you can pick first.
Ooh. Okay.
So that's 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
4, 5.
Okay. That's 5, alright.
6, 7. 8, 9.
Alright, I'll pick mine then. 1. I'm gonna go with all team babies. I'm looking for all the team babies, yeah. Team baby. I'm gonna call it Team Baby. Well, if there's any left, there you go. 2. Team Baby, what are you? 3. Where are they? I don't see any. 4. You did take them all.
So Nathan briefly told me how to open these. So we'll see if I'm able to do it.
You did take them all, so I'm gonna take another 4.
Oh, do you want one?
No, it's okay.
Can't have it.
5.
So I apologize if I do this wrong.
You don't need to be sorry. You don't need to be sorry. All right, so that should be 9.
I'm excited to open these.
1, 2,
I always
3,
see him
4,
open them,
6, 7, 8,
and I never
9.
get to open them. So today's the day.
So we have 18 left over for the next battle. All right, so it'll give the other person, whoever loses, another chance to tie it up. All right, so let us know. Pause the video if you haven't already. Team Nathan or Team
Jacqueline.
All right. Do you want to go
Jacqueline.
first? Do you want to go first? Or do you want me? We could do like 2 at a time.
Go.
I'll go first.
All right, you go first.
Okay. All right, we're going with Team Baby. Team Baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's get into it. Let's go. Using my teeth. PokePham.
Oh, I didn't practice opening them, so we'll see how.
You use your teeth if you want.
How I open them.
Code card for the PokePham fam. Claim it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to store the energy next. Oh, hello to Lego Charizard.
Do I have to say it like that?
You don't have to. I just like saying it.
Charizard.
Lego Charizard. Here we go! PokePham fam. Malo and Lana. Ooh. Oh, Probopass. Torkoal. You go a little closer. Alolan.
Sandshrew.
Thank you. Snorunt. Drillbur. Oh! I feel like they're really
so
cute, but then they're like deadly.
Are they?
Does it like their teeth?
Oh.
No?
I don't know.
Is this me?
They're just cute.
Whoa! Let's go! Secret rare Gallade. We have one already, but
now I get one.
But I'm not. I'm not complaining for another secret
Whoa,
rare. Let's go. Let's go. And ooh, my cargo. So I'll put mine right here. Okay. I'm gonna sleeve this up.
Wow,
Let's
you're
go.
starting off great.
I know. My pulls will be here, and you can put yours right there. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna go next?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So we got this one, the cute one. This is my first
Team
one.
babies. I like to call it team babies.
All right. We're gonna see how to open this.
Put
All right.
the other cards
I'm
in.
so sorry. This is
You just
horrendous.
hit
I
little
know I'm making a
Charizard.
mess. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. Be who you are.
This
Claim it,
is...
PokePham.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right.
Yes. And then I have my
Store yours
energy
under, right there.
there.
Perfect.
There. All right. Put up.
Oh, let's go.
Larvesta. Whoa.
Ooh.
Floette. Oh my
I don't
god,
think
it's
I have
so
that-
cute.
I don't think we have that in the.
It's a mermaid
set.
plant bunny thing.
Ooh, we have that for sure.
Roxy. Alolan Sandshrew.
Next.
Ponyta. Sunkern. Cosmog.
We have a million of those.
Psyduck.
Reverse hollow, Togedemaru.
Whoa. And ba-ba-da-da.
Entei. Just a regular Entei.
Wow.
So nothing for you, really. You can put your rare there if you want, but we're not really
please.
counting those, right?
My Togedemaru?
It's just a reverse hollow common, so it doesn't
Yeah, but it's still cute.
It's very
He
cute.
deserves
You
his
want
spot.
your Entei there too?
Oh,
Entei's
right.
a rare.
There you go.
Cool.
There, Entei.
Cool.
Mr.
Round 1
Entei.
goes to Team Nathan. Let's go. Let's go. Using my teeth.
I need to take
You know what?
notes.
Take notes. What are you talking about?
How to open these Pokemon.
I'm not that great either. Should we? Yes. Claim the code card, PokePham fan.
Yes.
Claim the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Store my energy over here next to Lego Charizard.
I have faith that I'm gonna win this one.
Do you?
This round.
Let's see.
Oh, Clefairy!
Big Knight, Zangoose. We have all these.
Whoa.
Ralts? Come on. Ooh, I think, yeah, we have that. Ooh, Jagamo. Oh! Rowlet saying hi. Say hi. What is that? Skrelp? I think we have that. Skrelp. Ooh, reverse hollow Pessimian. And Seismitoad. Cool. Very nice. All right, you're up.
All right.
You are up.
All right, next one. Blastoise and little baby Piplet. So cute.
Very cool.
So cute.
Very cool.
Okay. How to
I believe in you.
make a bag of chips.
Wow, that was actually pretty.
Wait, I eat a lot of
Nice.
snacks.
Everyone loves snacks. I don't know who doesn't like snacks.
Code card.
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. Store your energies.
Energy with Lego Charizard.
Lego Charizard.
Oh, that's upside
Someone's
down.
home. Will. I don't think we have that.
Whoa.
Cool. Add that to the set.
Mimikyu. I'm sorry, my card is just everywhere, guys.
No, you're fine. Keep going. Whoa.
Beastite.
Beastite? Like a
Ooh.
meteorite kind of?
Ooh.
Whalmer.
Whalmer. Pawniard.
Barnyard.
Togedemaru. Trapinch. Flabébé. And...
Wah, wah. Oh no, that's the next one. Reverse hollow.
Tricked ya.
Tricked me. You tricked me.
Alright,
You got me.
One more.
Can
Da,
this
da,
be
da,
the
da,
one?
da.
Ooh,
No.
that's a hollow rare.
Whoa.
Lunala. Wow. We don't have that. That's pretty good. Pretty good.
I think I won that one.
Pretty good. Pretty
Wow.
good. You won that
She
one.
pretty.
Ooh.
Oh, focus.
Focus.
Whoa.
Wow, that's pretty good there.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Very nice. Let's do
Alright.
one more here. Team babies. Team babies.
Team
You think I
Bibis?
could do this without
You
my
call
teeth?
them Bibis?
You think I could?
Yes, I believe in you. But
I'm
it's okay
honestly
if you want to use
afraid.
your teeth.
It's okay? Okay.
Yeah. I won't judge you.
Okay.
Much.
There's non-judgment here. No judgment whatsoever.
No judgment.
Also, if you're having a bad morning, if you're having a bad day, you're having a bad night, whenever you're watching this, I hope the PokePham channel videos can make you feel a little better. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Store the energy next to Lego
Charizard.
Charizard. It's getting a little messy here, huh?
Sorry.
Here we go.
Open it up.
Ooh, Enarith. Look at that paragraph. Jeez.
Whoa.
Ooh, Delmise.
Oh,
the
cute.
cute.
Oh, cute.
Kind of cute.
Hey,
Scowy.
he's cute
Scowy.
too.
Magnemite. Ooh, reverse
Ooh,
hollow.
pretty.
Come on now, let's go! Oh, that's okay. Just a rare.
Whoa.
Just a rare. I think we're getting so many cards. How about we just keep like... yeah, let's just leave it there. That's fine. We'll just make a big stack. All right.
All right, my turn with the little baby
Babies.
cuties. Yeah. All right.
You got it.
I'm
Believe
feeling
in you.
hard.
I believe in you. There you go.
I did it.
Well,
Maybe.
overall, Team Nathan's winning so far.
I'm cringing so hard watching me open this. All right. Code card for the
Okay, oh wait, you leave it. Okay, I'm pretty sure they could pause it. They could pause it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
She's just being silly. Stole your energies.
I'm having fun.
You're having fun? Me too.
Energy.
Our
Bruh.
first pack battle. Ooh,
Absol. She looks cool.
Yeah.
Lily.
Rotom.
Slugma. Wilmer. Pawniard.
That's right.
Togedemaru.
Oh,
Trapinch.
we have an army of Trapinches.
Tempo.
Oh, here we go. Ooh, Marshadow.
Marshadow.
We don't have one. Nice.
Whoa, it's a burnt marshmallow.
Oh,
Cute.
goodness.
Cute. Alright, leave mine there.
Yeah.
Your turn.
All right.
I don't know who won that one. I feel like that was a tie.
On to Team Baby. Or Baby
Babies.
Baby Pack.
Baby pack.
I'm gonna use my teeth from now on, to be honest. Ooh.
Ooh.
I like to say thank you to Teacher Nathan for cleaning up the trash, because I'm cleaning it and she's not going to.
I will help you.
No, she's not.
Yes, I will.
Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go. Team Nathan is in the
I don't know, I
lead.
feel like you're gonna win this one.
You think so?
I have a
Wow. Rapidash. Roxy. Professor Oak's setup. Spheal. Cottony. Rowlet. Woo. Scowy. Lolin. Grimer. Roller Skater.
Whoa.
Roller
that's
Skater.
cool.
And
Oh.
Heliolisk. Just a regular rare. But we don't have that.
That's cool.
Add that to, go ahead and start there. Add that to our Cosmic Eclipse Journey.
Orange pack with the Piplups. I love Piplups. They're cute. Alright. Thank you, Future Nathan.
You're welcome. Wait, that's not me. I'm present, Nathan. A little more to the side. There you go. I'm present, Nathan, so I'm not cleaning that right now.
Oh, things went badly.
2, 3, 4. It's okay.
You saw nothing.
It's okay.
And energy.
That's right.
Okay. Blah.
Ooh, Tackle. I have like a million of those now. Delmise.
Delmos, you got that. Chaotic Swell. Not
Too.
Pumpatoad.
Ooh.
Jungamo.
I love me some dragon Pokemon.
Oh,
It's Bambi.
cute.
Bambi.
Golett.
Wow!
Nice.
Reverse Hollow Lycanroc. I don't have that.
Whoa.
Add that to the journey. And
The
ooh,
Mimikyu.
Mimikyu. That's pretty good though. Working towards our journey.
Yeah.
Last Team Baby. Baby pack. Last one.
That's baby pack.
That's last Baby pack.
I took them all.
Code card for the PokePham fam. Claim it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling good on this pack. I'm just letting you know.
I know. I
feeling
don't
good.
know. I feel like I
Heracross.
didn't grab the best one.
Lily's Pokédoll.
Cute.
Dragonium Z.
Wow.
What are you doing, Piplup? What are you doing? Cosmog. Pony's Haw. What in the... What is this? Revert or upside down Carvana. Craballer. Oh, it's a cute Bambi. And... Wow, we don't have this. Empoleon.
Looks
Very
cool.
nice. Yeah, your turn there.
Lumpy penguin. Oh, Piplup.
Also, the PokePham fam started watching Pokemon again. It's free on the website. You guys look, Pokemon.com, Pokemon TV. We started on season 1. What are you? It's upside down.
But
And it brings us a lot of nostalgia. Right?
does it?
It does. A lot of the episodes are pretty funny, to be honest.
I really like it.
It's good.
We've
miss watching it.
We've been
We
binging
binged
it.
basically season 1.
Bellaba.
And Bryson Man.
Hakamo.
Rotom. Cottonee. Scary. Alolan Grimer.
Magnemite.
Secret rare Mimikyu.
Oh, cute.
Let's go. Here you go.
Look at her eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Dang it. We're even now.
What a pretty card.
even.
Wait, I have one more.
Oh, you do?
Bruh,
Cradley.
Cradley.
Yeah, better.
Sorry, Cradley. This is cool.
Secret rare. Nice
Wow.
job.
Wow, my first
Gosh.
one. Finally.
Gosh.
Hey, I still feel like I'm winning because
I
yours,
think
you
so.
got yours before.
That's
so.
true. We do we have? I don't think we have that one.
You have the
Just the Glade, yeah.
yeah, the Glade, right?
Yeah,
Did you get another one?
I don't remember, to be honest with you.
I don't remember.
Code
either.
card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stole the energy next to Lego Charizard. Ooh, Bisharp. Torkoal. Peaceful. That's how we should, be peaceful. Simeon. Momo, Rowlet. Ooh. Skrelp. Pikachu! Oh, Pikachu's so cute in the anime.
So cute.
The TV show. It's amazing. I want to... Oopsies, I shook the camera. I want a Pikachu, a real-life Pikachu.
I love
a
the
Alolan
episode with like a million Pikachus.
Oh, that was
Those
good.
were
That was a good
so
episode.
cute.
Pikachu is soil. Pikachu is like the best of best friends to Ash. That's awesome.
Well, except for the times where he just like lightning bolts Ash to ashes. Okay.
Code card for the PokePham. Have you subscribed
1, 2,
yet?
3, 4. I
Join
have.
You did. Thank you. Join the PokePham fam.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, Bisharp. Tropius.
Walking tree.
Mimikyu.
Feels so cute.
Knuckle.
Very serious Natsu.
Palpitoad. I like when you say Palpitoad.
Palpitoad. Like that. Jangmo. Oh, to keep Bambi.
Cute.
Alright,
Rowlet.
let's see what you get here.
Oh, Bra.
Raichu. Yes.
Cool.
Ready
No
for
hollow,
action.
but
What's in the?
still.
Is it the city?
So cool.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
He's in the city.
Where's
He's Raichu
What city is
Spider-Man.
What city?
It's Pokemon City.
Pokemon.
Duh.
But what city? Code card, PokePham fam. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bam.
Store the energies. I'm feeling good about this one. Lily's Pokédoll.
Cute.
Togedemaru. Great catcher. Golett. Dewpider. Onyx. So cute. Oh, let's go! Reverse
Whoa,
hollow
look at
rare
your eyes.
lantern.
So pretty.
I don't think we have this. And hollow rare Rosa.
Cute,
Now we're pretty even.
Cute.
Now we're pretty even. Oh, we're going down to the last few packs here.
I know. We
The
have
last few
3
packs.
left each? 2 left.
2 left. I have 2 left. That's your third to last one.
Third to last one.
Oh.
Ooh, I see a cute Pokemon.
We both got 1 secret rare each.
Yeah.
We need some more ultra rares, am I right?
2, 3, 4.
We're having a good time though.
Are we?
We're having a good time.
I am.
Oh, you done goofed. That's okay. Put it here.
Oopsies.
I did that before too.
Oopsies.
Now we know you got to leave.
Ooh,
Celio. That's what I looked like after Thanksgiving.
I was gonna say that.
Draw energy. That's a good
Wow.
card. That's a good card. Awesome
I'm gonna
card.
take this one.
Cosmoem.
Cosmoem.
So cute.
Roll it.
Scary.
I feel like this always comes after this.
Yeah.
It's like a shadow.
It eventually gets to a certain pattern.
Magnemite.
Magnemite.
Like
Ooh, it looks like mochi kind of.
Tepig.
Ooh,
Palossand. Ooh,
Rare.
Sandcastle. Let's go to the
Sandcastle.
beach.
Let's go to the beach.
This is a Pokemon?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Code card for the PokePham fam. Second to last pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you excited?
I want another.
Store the energy. What do you want?
Ultra rare.
Ultra Clay. Look at that paragraph. I haven't read that paragraph yet. Trapinch. Feed the Trapinch army in the desert. Feel a lowland meow. Rots. Ooh, Decidui. Decidui. Reverse hollow rare. And come on now. Ooh, Satu. We don't have that. Awesome. We don't have that.
Fan dancing.
Dang, I got 1 pack left.
Whoa, I got 2
I
left.
got 1 pack
No
left.
cutesies.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh,
one
and
pack.
Yeah. I'm
Oh boy.
excited.
One pack
This is
left.
fun. I can't wait to do this.
It's super fun. Stress relieving, right? Very stress relieving.
Oh.
Where's the code card?
We'll see.
Did we get... You did a thing. She did a thing.
We'll see. It's in here.
There's the code card. I'm about to say,
see,
did they
this is
forget?
the lucky one.
Oh,
Ooh.
no.
Okay, 1,
no.
2, 3, 4.
That's right.
I'm not gonna forget the energy.
Yeah,
right
we know you got
there.
leaf energy, though.
Get it.
Wow, we don't have that.
That's cool.
Nice.
Little Jigglypuff and
Oh, are they...
what's that one called?
Lola Bunny or something like that?
Lola
I don't
Bunny.
remember.
So cute. Love that.
Ooh, let's go. This is a good
wow,
pack.
this is a
Let's
really
go.
good pack.
Igglybuff. Wow.
Sorry, that was high.
I don't think we have Igglybuff.
Cosmog.
Add it to the
Bonita.
Cosmic Eclipse
Journey.
Journey.
Togedemaru. Trapinch.
Yep. Trapinch.
Mimikyu.
Ooh,
Reverse Hollow.
And
Groudon.
Groudon. Cool. I will never complain about a legendary. Am I right?
Yes.
Last pack for Team Nathan. Do you guys believe? Do you guys believe?
Last pack for
Send
Team
me the positive
Jacqueline.
energies. Which?
No, send mine.
Where are you
positive
sending the energies? To this pack or
Send
that
this
pack?
one. This
No,
one.
send it to this one. This one. If you love Pokemon, you'll send it to this one. Yes, I played that card. Come on, if you love Pokemon, send me that
If
positive
you love
energy.
Pokemon trading cards,
Send
this
me.
one.
All right, let's go. Thank you. Did you do it? If you did, thank you. If you didn't, still, thank you. Because we're thankful, right? Oh, we're thankful.
Whoa.
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is it. Come on now. This is the deciding factor. To be honest, this pack decides it.
I don't know.
I think so because we're
tied now.
we both have one secret rare and then a bunch of rares, but like
A bunch of rares.
throw.
I love
Look,
all of
throw. Oh, I shook the camera. Throw. See how it's spelled?
Whoa.
It's funny. Tangrowth. I don't think we have
Whoa,
that.
that's cool.
Magnemite. Eevee with the head tilt. Head tilts. Head tilts. I can't speak. Flabébé. It looks so sad. Look. Makes me want to jump in there and save Flabébé. Sneasel. Natu. Ooh! Pikachu! And come on now! Let's go! Full art trainer card. Let's go! I think you lost. I'm sorry.
I think you won.
Team Nathan might have won this. Go ahead. I believe in you.
So nice.
I
Can
believe
I have
in
it?
you. No, you can have it. I believe in you, though.
I'm gonna take it anyways.
I believe in you. Go ahead.
Alright.
This is the
last
one.
one.
That means they
I
sent
don't
the energies
know.
this way.
Send me some leftover energies,
Come on.
positive energies. Beep, beep, beep.
Don't do it.
Please. That was such a good one. Oh, sorry. There you go.
Stop. Team Nathan.
No.
Team Nathan.
Ugh.
We're all part of the
I'm gonna try to
PokePham
open
fam
it.
team, though, right?
Mm.
Wow. Pretty impressive. Yeah, the other
Whoa,
YouTubers...
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. The other YouTubers do it so flawlessly.
What?
Oh, I saw it.
You saw it?
I think I did.
Don't cheat. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think I
You're
saw
cheating.
it. I think I saw it. I'm not
You're
sure.
cheating. Energy.
Maybe it was the plastic wrapper.
We have this competition, but then we also have the energy competition.
That's right. That's the
as
bonus
well.
round. That's the bonus round.
So, if I get all the energies,
Then you-
I ultimately win.
No, we... Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. You stored the energy.
Okay.
You did.
Floet,
Yeah, let's go a little bit there.
Plant Mermaid, Zangoose,
Ooh,
Vaporeon.
it's cute, right? It's cute. It's super cute.
Teddy Ursa, Nosepaws,
Mm-hmm.
Lilio,
Litleo.
Labrador,
Sad. Steel is super cute. Ooh,
Lana
is this the deciding
Fishing
factor?
Rod.
Let's go.
So pretty. Break time.
No break. No break. Go.
Duh.
Ah! Oh, it's still hollow rare,
Steelix,
but...
still hollow
Let's
rare.
go. Team Nathan for the win.
Team Nathan won. I let
For
you
the
win just
win.
because I didn't want to make you sad.
No. The real PokePham fam wanted Team Nathan to win. Go ahead and put
That's
yourself over
true.
there.
I'm sorry. Maybe next time. Maybe next time when PokePham
Good-
fam knows me a little
good
bit
try,
better,
champ.
they'll send me the
Good try,
good
champ.
positive
High
energies.
five. Good try.
Thanks.
Good try.
Oh, one more.
One more. This one's mine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is it?
Yeah. Wait, which one?
Ooh.
Wait, which one was
You'll
which?
never know.
You sabotage. She's trying to sabotage.
I'll tell you when we find out which one wins.
So I got a holo rare. I got a reverse holo rare. Another reverse holo rare. A secret rare Glade. We have one already, but I'm totally fine with another one.
Me too, because I can keep it.
Nope. And I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Cynthia and Caitlin, full art tag team trainer card.
So
Let's
pretty.
go.
Can we be this for Halloween?
All right, and then Team Jacqueline got. You want to do it?
No, it's okay.
You did? Go ahead.
You can tell the people.
Okay, I will tell the
I've
people
done.
then. What have you done? My lady. We got a holo rare Steelix, holo rare Luna. I like Nula.
Should I do it?
And a reverse holo Lycanroc. Let's go. And secret rare.
Whoa,
Mimi cute. You did this already.
I know, but
All
I was
right.
still really excited because it looks so cool.
So, we are now on to the bonus round. So, whoever commented and said Team Nathan, thank you. Whoever commented said Team Jacqueline, boo. This bonus round will
That's
also...
me.
So, pretty much, I'm ahead by one card, pretty much. So, if you win this, it's tied, okay? If you win this.
No,
yes,
if I win this, I win the ultimate.
No, you get tied.
I win forever and ever.
You get tied. You get tied.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
And then we'll decide on the next video when we open the other packs. But if you win this, it's not over yet. Still, right? Okay, I'm nervous.
You want to go first? Or me?
You go first.
I'll go first. Okay, we need one type of each energy. Here we go. Steel.
Ooh.
Fairy. Fire. Fire. Dark. Oh, man. Let's go now. Ah, fire. So that's 4. 4, right? So I need 5 more. Oh, 4 more. Ah, I didn't do it. 3 more. I only needed 3 more. All right, you're up.
All right.
I only need 3 more.
Whoa.
Get a little up there.
Fire.
Ooh, 7 more. 8 more. Or 6 more. 5 more?
Oh, man. So close. So
4 more.
close. One more.
1 more. Oh, I still beat you. I mean, we didn't win, but...
It's okay. Good game.
Good game, fellow. Good game there.
Good game.
Good game, chaperone, chipper. What's happening? All right, guys, that's it for the pack battle number 1, the booster box of Cosmic Eclipse. We have more here, but we're gonna do another battle to see if Team Jacqueline can stand another chance.
I believe so. I believe we can win the next one.
But yes, we'll update. I'll update the Cosmic Eclipse Journey, and right here, I'm gonna put it right here is where we're at. So put it right there. Okay, you see where we're at. There you go. Now I'm gonna put right here. If you haven't already, subscribe. Be part of the PokePham fam. Alright, share this video to your friends, your family. If you're having a bad morning, if you're having a bad day, if you're having a bad
week.
Sure. I hope this video makes up for it, makes it better. Okay,
and
guys?
Thanks for having me here this
yes,
week,
Team Jacqueline. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know. We'll do more videos with Team Jacqueline here.
And if you didn't, still let us know, so then I won't come again.
Oh, no. Well, I'm still bring you regardless. We always have to be kind, right?
Yes.
Anyways, guys, we love Mr. Rogers, and we love the saying, in a way, in this world you're winning because you're the only one that could be you. So I hope you guys believe that, and if there's someone that doesn't believe it, we believe it. Right? That's right. Alright, we hope to see you, yes you, in the next video.
Peace
out.
out.